Sir, can you please tell me where is my destination? Please tell me where my destination. Get out of my goddamn car now! Oh, I don't know where I am. Get out of my car now! God darn you to heaven! It is my own property. Get out now! Sir, please stop yelling at me. I'm sorry. Oh, so now you're sorry. I've been telling you to get out of my car multiple times. You would be extremely rude, extremely condescending. You showed up in a hurry with no effort to be in an actual hurry. I tell you, get out of my car now. Sir, stop. Please stop.